I'm gonna be giving you guys a few apps that pay you to go live and to talk to people. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the first time, please do subscribe. I do a lot of things on this channel. I do a lot, and you will see as I progress and post more videos that I do a lot of things, but mainly focus on finding ways of making money for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be giving y'all a few websites and apps. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it's mostly apps for today. The next episode will be websites, and yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys a few apps that pay you to go live and to talk to people. I know, right? I know, which is why. And I'm gonna give you my favorites, which I think is easier to make more money on it. It's not as time consuming, but also, you know, that's just a personal experience. I don't know how you guys are gonna take it, you know? Yeah, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first app for today is called, it's one that you guys might be already familiar with. I don't know, but I think so. It's called Popo Live. There you get paid for literally going live for like, I think for every 2 hours is $1 that you can make for going live. And you need to like be active. You need to actually like, even though there might be like no one might be viewing and you know watching you, you need to actually interact, do things, even if you're like scrolling on your phone or something. As long as you're in the screen and it can detect that you're there and being active, you know? Yeah. And I do think it withdraws through PayPal. I'm not sure, I can't remember properly, but yeah, it withdraws through PayPal. It's a pretty simple app to use, nothing hectic. But obviously, if you don't already know how to withdraw from PayPal into your bank account, that could be a bit of a problem for you. But I will later on probably make a video on it, I don't know. If not, if I don't make a video on it, just search it on YouTube. There's a lot of tutorials on how to withdraw your money from PayPal into your exact bank account, okay? Yeah. One thing that I don't like about the Popo app is it takes forever. According to me, working 2 hours for $1 is crazy. I don't know, it's crazy. $1 is like what, 18 Rand. 2 hours of work, which is 18 Rand. That's a bit iffy for me, you know? And yeah, I don't necessarily prefer the Popo app, but it does work and it does pay out, okay? And another app that is like the Popo app is called Biggle. It's kind of the same process. I think it also pays out through PayPal. I don't like it because I feel like it takes forever to actually accumulate on Biggle, but it is also something you could do on the side. You need to be live and stuff like that, okay? So let's move on to the next one. And there's also an app which is ZTalk. Now on ZTalk, you get paid for chatting to people, to replying to people's DMs that, you know, DM you guys, you know. It's basically that. You just get paid to chat. And sometimes, you know, traffic is good, sometimes traffic is not that great, so you don't necessarily have a good rate that you could say you could make. But it works on a point-based system. I low-key feel like it takes forever to actually earn on there. But once you do accumulate enough points, you can actually withdraw. You know, it does work. It does take a bit more time than I would like, but it does work. The next app is called Sweet High. Okay, keep in mind that every app that I'm gonna talk about is gonna be listed down below, so you don't need to go type in the shit yourself. Sorry for a cuss word. I don't know if I can cuss here, guys. Like, you know, but yeah, you don't need to be typing down the ish yourself. Okay. But yeah, the app is called Sweet High. You get paid for going live. You get paid for chatting to people, for doing private chats. And yeah, that's basically it. And you know, a little disclaimer, guys, I have no control of the content that is in here. Sometimes it's gonna be crazy people flashing you. Sometimes it's just gonna be people that are like fine, you know. It's like when you're on TV, you know, you never know what to really expect. Sometimes it's just gonna be a chill person, just, you know, looking for people to talk to. And sometimes it's gonna be a pervy person looking for people to flash. Okay, just keep that in mind. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, this app, same concept, pays through PayPal, but here it's a bit difficult to get approved. They do take a while to approve. There's like a lot of like security measures they put on here. The other apps do also like require identification and stuff for you to withdraw, but here it's a bit much. You can't even stop like actually actively talking to people and doing lives until they approve you, and they tend to take a while to approve you, you know. So yeah, I don't know, not the best, but it does pay well. It does pay well. Okay, the next app is called Meaty. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It has gained a bit of popularity, but you know, not everybody knows about it. It's called Meaty. Same concept, guys, as the other ones, but you do need to do identification and for you to withdraw. That's basically it. Okay, the same concept as the others. Okay, now that I've went through the list of the ones that I acknowledge, my favorite app that I think is easier to accumulate on, honestly speaking, although the withdrawing process is a lot. If you're from South Africa, you know, it's a lot to actually get the money into your direct bank account, but I'll talk about that. This app is called Chamet. Yeah, Chamet. It is also content-wise, guys, please do not come here telling me that I didn't tell you guys that these things can get crazy on here. You never know. Could be one person chilling and another one freaking. You never know. You really never know. But yeah, Chamet is actually a really good paying one. It's so easy to make like $5 within 2 hours, or less, honestly, depending on how constant you're on there. And if you think about it, if you're able to make that in like 4 hours, you could make like $10, which is a really good amount to be making in one day. You could make like, now if you add all those up, you're making a lot of money in a month. You're making a lot. But yeah, you get as I was saying, when you withdraw, it makes you withdraw through a wallet called Met Wallet. So you have to create a wallet there. It goes there, and from there, for some people, you can directly transfer it to your bank account. But I noticed for me, you can't really directly transfer it to I can't do it. I can't transfer it to my bank account, which is, I guess, I don't know why, but regional preferences or something, I'm assuming. So what I have to do is I have to then transfer the money from the Met wallet to ePay. That option is available on the app. You can see it. After I transfer it to ePay, then I have to transfer it to Paya. From transferring it to Payer, I then transfer it to Binance. And from Binance, that's when it can actually finally transfer into my bank account, my Standard Bank. I use Standard. And yeah, it's a whole process. There's a lot of wallets in between just because they don't have that much variety when it comes to withdrawing. So if you're in South Africa, I would say that's the best option to use. You would need to start with from the Met wallet to ePay, from ePay to Payer, and from Payer to Binance, and finally to your bank account. Yeah, withdrawing from Binance is actually really easy, and their charges are not bad considering the fact that they are actually working with South African companies at the moment. They are sponsored with a lot of South African companies, so the charges aren't bad. But yeah, guys, those are the apps for today. I hope you enjoyed. Finding these apps was a lot. It really was. Testing them out too. Jeez, the time. So please drop a like and subscribe because I do this, for you guys. Yeah. And I know that for the apps that I've mentioned today, they might be iffy for a couple of people because not everyone is willing to be flashed every now and then and be shocked and be traumatized. But for the most part of it, most of the people on there are normal. But you can't control weirdos. We honestly can't control weirdos. So yeah, but don't let that stop you from getting your bag. Don't let that stop you from getting your bag. Okay. So yeah, guys, those are the apps. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna say it again, like and subscribe, and I'll keep finding more things for y'all.